Hi, my name is Dr. Micah Hamilton with South OC Chiropractic. I want to talk to you about a great treatment for knee pain at home. You're going to want to find yourself a foam roller with about a 6-inch diameter and 36 inches long. Many times when you're having lateral knee pain, it's due to actually a tight IT band. Thus, when we start rolling this area out, you want to start at the TFL and slightly rotate down to the side to loosen up that IT band and take care of those fibrous adhesions. So what you'll do is you'll put it like so. Lay down, putting the pressure right on the TFL. The opposite foot is what's going to end up helping to propel you forward. On your elbow, you're going to start at the TFL and then roll out to the side, all the way down to the side of the knee, back down to the front of the TFL. All the way down to the side of the knee, back down to the TFL. You're going to want to do that for about 10 repetitions to loosen that area up and release that area in the knee to help decrease actually some of the pain and tension in there, then ice after to bring down inflammation levels.